Falcons are one of Pakistan's unusual treasures. A single bird can fetch tens of thousands of dollars on the black market. This allows falcon poachers like Mohammed Rafiq to earn money to support his family, and even renovate his home.
ये बेरी नस्ल था, ये हमने एक हफ्ते में पकड़ा है। हफ्ते पे गया था और हफ्ते पे आया था। तो इधर लेके आया, सेठों को बुलाया कराची से। उसने कैसे, एक ने बोला 10 लाख, दूसरे ने बोला 13 लाख।
So who exactly is buying these birds? And for what purpose? The answer can be found in the Gulf states, where Arab sheikhs and their wealthy friends buy, train and use these falcons in their hunting expeditions. They have been engaging in falconry for generations. Every year during winter, many small birds, the Hubara bustard, migrate from Central Asia to the warm deserts in Pakistan's Sindh region. During this time, wealthy Arab sheikhs, in jet-setting convoys in recent years, have been traveling to the deserts to hunt them with their falcons, both as a sport and because its meat is considered to be an aphrodisiac. However, because of a lack of regulation, the Hubara bustard became an endangered species. In 2015, the Supreme Court of Pakistan banned the hunting of the bird. The court was subsequently asked to review the ban by the government as it was damaging Pakistan's relations with the Gulf states, which are considered to be key investors in the country. Subsequently in 2016, the court overturned the ban, sparking outrage from conservationists.
One of the biggest threats, however, is the illegal trapping to supply the illegal falconry trade. There is more money available for leisure pursuits in the Gulf, etc. So therefore there are more clients, therefore there are more outlets for illegally taken falcons.
अगर हम इस पे काम करें, एक तरीक़ेकार बनाएं, इसका डेटा बनाएं, मैकेनिज़्म बनाएं, तो हम एक सस्टेनेबल प्रोग्राम बना सकते हैं.
While concerns around conservation and sustainability persist and grow, poachers like Mohammed Rafiq nevertheless continue to rely on the falcon as a source of income. Meanwhile, with demand from Arab buyers nowhere to be slowing down, conservation of the Hubara bustard faces a long and arduous battle ahead.